Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest tech reviews. Today, we're taking a look at the Philips Business Portable Monitor 16B1P330027. Let's see if this portable monitor is worth your hard-earned cash. The 16B1P330027 features a 15.6-inch IPS panel with a full HD resolution and a 75 Hz refresh rate. With a matte, anti-reflective coating, it tackles glare like a pro. Priced at $229, this monitor offers a budget-friendly option for those in need of extra screen real estate. In terms of design, the 16B1P330027 sports a basic matte black finish, with thin bezels on three sides and a thicker bottom bezel chin. The adjustable base is sturdy and allows for various viewing angles. All the ports are conveniently located on the base, keeping the cables neatly tucked away. When it comes to building quality, the 16B1P330027 impresses with tight tolerances, minimal flex, and high-quality finishes. It comes with a pouch-style case for transportation, although it doesn't provide much cushioning. Inside the box, you'll find a power brick, a USB-C cable, and a mini HDMI to HDMI cable. The on-screen display controls are located on the back right of the base, which isn't the most ergonomic placement. However, the OSD itself offers a range of settings for customization. You can adjust smart image color profiles, contrast, gamma, and more. The OSD buttons could have been positioned for easier access. Let's talk about the performance of the 16B1P330027. It falls short in color reproduction, covering only 41.8% of the DCI-P3 color space and 59% of sRGB. However, it makes up for it with a brightness level of 255.5 nits, exceeding the manufacturer's claim of 250 nits. Viewing angles are good, and the anti-reflective coating effectively reduces glare. In real-world usage, the 16B1P330027 handles everyday productivity tasks with ease. Whether it's browsing the web, working on documents, or using various apps, it gets the job done. However, when it comes to media consumption, the colors may appear muted compared to other monitors with more vibrant panels. In conclusion, the Philips 16B1P330027 offers a budget-friendly portable monitor option with decent performance. However, it struggles to stand out in a market where competitors offer higher resolutions and more vibrant displays. If you're looking for a basic portable monitor without breaking the bank, it may still be worth considering. That wraps up our review of the Philips Business Portable Monitor 16B1P330027. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to our channel for more honest product reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think of this portable monitor and if you have any questions. This is Product Critique, signing off.